Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you through the process to log and unlock your Chime debit card. So if you're also wondering how, you may head over and follow up these simple steps for that, and you should be able to do it easily. Start by opening up the Chime application. For that, open up Chime on your device, log in into your account, and once you are logged in, from the given interface, look out for your profile icon in the top left corner and select it. Or look out for the settings option and tap on it. After you open up your settings, what you may do is basically look out for the option for account info or select the option for cards from here. And once you select the cards, you will be taken to the cards page where you will be finding your account info and a section for viewing your cards. So you just need to look out for the section for debit card. So once you find debit card, you can just go over and select it up. And there you'll be finding your Chime debit card. You just need to look out for this option called Freeze Virtual Card. So if you go ahead and turn on this option right beside it, the toggle option, you will be locking your Chime card and you won't be able to do any kind of transactions at the moment. If you want to turn it off, you just need to head back and follow the same process and look out for the toggle option and just go over and turn it off. And once it is done, you will be able to unlock or unfreeze your virtual card, your debit card on your Chime. And that's it. So therefore, everyone, if you want to go ahead and lock and unlock your debit card on Chime, you may follow up this method for that. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.